Yes. Supply nutrients and be anchors for tug. Whoa! I think they're pissed off. What do you think? There's Mount Rainier off in the distance. Port of Seattle. Beautiful. Beautiful day. Every now and then we get these wave actions coming in from the barges and the ferry. Gotta keep your eyes peeled. See the graffitied areas there, and that bluff up there. On this stretch here, or town, there used to be a couple homes up on these bluffs that fell down. I think it was during the earthquake we had about 20 years ago. So, anyway, yeah, I don't think anyone was hurt, but definitely gives you pause about putting your homes on these bluffs because they're always eroding. And that's one of the things that's important to measure for understanding about how beaches are formed along the Puget Sound nearshore is what the bank erosion is like. And some of that substrate that comes from the bank erosion is really important for refurbishing the materials on the beach that get washed away due to tidal influences. And as you can see, some of that shoreline armoring keeps what otherwise would be sediment and other substrate from coming onto the beach and refurbishing the beach. So that bank armoring ends up being an issue for beach habitat, nearshore habitat. I'm gonna go out on a limb here say that these giant, massive hotels on water are not good for Puget Sound, especially for orcas. Make a ton of noise coming in and out. A lot of times, these big ships, not sure where the drop point is, but at some point near the entrance of the Strait of Fuca, somewhere in there, I have to look it up, but they dump millions of gallons of raw sewage into the water. They also can carry invasive species in the ballast. Although the smell is unbearable right here. The water's all cloudy. I mean, at the drop point up against the Seattle waterfront, you see these structures here? These are for juvenile fish, trying to put some complexity on the wall, give them a space where they can avoid predators and stuff. It's pretty creative, better than nothing, I suppose. Yeah, it's nasty in here. Super nasty. Oh, I gotta get out. The smell's killing me. Hey, so the wind was fierce. It blew me up the Duwamish quite a ways. There was no way I was going to fight against it. So I'm here at Marina by the Spokane Bridge, Spokane Street Bridge. It's a good place to take out and call it a day.